Hi, Carolyn here again from Outside the Box Organisation Solutions, and we're here again to talk about decisions. And we're doing this little series of the decision-making techniques to help you with your organising and decluttering, because it is all about the decision-making, isn't it? And that's what really slows us down when we want to get organised and declutter our lives. So number 2 is all about using the access to other people to help you make a decision. So asking for opinions. So this is a double-edged sword, in my opinion. So firstly, if you're asking another's opinion, make sure that they actually have enough knowledge and background and enough of the scope of the situation to help you make that decision clearly. Because they're going to bring their own life experiences, their own judgment of what they think is right and wrong to giving you their opinion. So that is one thing, but it's also hugely valuable, because if you find an expert, someone who is really just so well-rounded in that area that you want to get that decision help on, you are going to get some fantastic feedback that you may never have thought of. So look at asking others for opinion, but be careful on who you're asking, making sure they've got enough knowledge, and you'll maybe get some really surprising great results. So I look forward to hearing how you go this week with technique of asking someone else's opinion. Talk to you soon. Bye.